How to turn on or turn off vibration sound for incoming calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, scroll down and tap on vibration intensity. Then we go down to the last option here and tap on vibration sound for incoming calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And that's it. It says here avoid missed calls by playing a sound to make vibrations louder. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.